Tonight we're in London for the IFST Lecture. We're delighted to have Professor Mike Gibney of Dublin University speaking on ultra-processed foods.
Ultra-processed foods is a new concept. It's recommended that we avoid ultra-processed foods. I find that impossible, if not difficult, to rationalise in a policy scenario because it accounts for 60% of our calories and would require an enormous shift. The proponents of ultra-processed foods argue that the problem with modern diet and disease is not nutrients and not foods, but processing per se. And I will vigorously show that not to be true in my lecture tonight.
It gives us an opportunity to invite an excellent and challenging speaker to talk on a maybe non-scientific but strategic subject for the industry.
The event has been very, very enjoyable for a number of reasons. First of all, the speaker was excellent. Also, the questions and answers from the diverse community of the IFST is always really interesting because you've got people working across the food sector at these events. So you get lots of different perspectives and the questions are always really, really different and interesting.
The evening has been very enjoyable. It was nice to learn something new about ultra-processed foods, and also the networking opportunity is always great afterwards.
I've actually learned that there's a wide community of people who are interested in ultra-processed food and actually looking at the other side, the flip side to what the media would often tell you.
I would absolutely recommend it to anybody, whatever stage of your IFST association, whether you're beginning, your career in food science and technology, whether you want to understand what IFST is all about. This is the event of the year to come to.